Hi everyone, this is Noah, and this is my mobile real-time collaborative drawing app, Scrawl. I have two phones here so that you can see the drawings update in real time, which is the main feature of the app, but as you can see, one is the home page, and on this phone here, I've already logged into my account. So once you log in, you're taken to your recent drawings page, which lists your drawings in order by the time they were created, and also shows you who is working on the drawing, and then a small thumbnail of the drawing. At the top of the page we have the navigation. This is the nav menu, which when you click opens. Here I have my profile, a link to my recent drawings, which is actually the page that I'm on, my notifications, which I'll show you in a bit, discover public users, and to log out. So if I click on my profile, I can see an option to edit my profile. You can make your profile private, which means that you won't show up on the public users page, and you won't be someone who can be matched in a random drawing. These are my friends that I have so far, and it shows how many drawings we have together and their name. I can visit my dad's profile page, see we're friends. I can start a drawing together, and I can see all of his drawings that are public or that are shared by me. So you can actually start a drawing directly from someone's profile page, in which case you would title it and immediately start drawing, or this button, which is always there, is available to start a new drawing. Can't touch my own phone. So this is the Create New Drawing page when you've clicked the main button and not from another user's page. So I have the option to draw with a random user, or I can pick any number of my friends. So I can select, whoops, don't want to select that, multiple friends. And you can actually start a group drawing. You just have to select at least one. So what I'm actually going to do is create a new account so that you can see the process of finding users to become friends with and starting a new drawing with them. So clearly, as it's a new account, I don't have any drawings yet. And if I go to my profile, you can see I've taken Rihanna's name and I have no friends. So I will go to Discover Users, and I will add Adam. So Adam already has some drawings. It looks like Nick started a random drawing with him, but I will add Adam as a friend, just so he knows. And, oh, but I will add myself as a friend, so that I can show you what's up. Friend request sent. Alright, back to my phone. So now on my phone, my navigation button has turned blue because I have a notification. Which you can see here, so I click, whoops. So I click on notifications, and Rihanna requested to be friends with me a few seconds ago. Best moment of my life. Accept friend request. And so now on Rihanna's phone, we see that she's now friends with Noah Levine. And let's start a drawing. We'll call it Met Gala. So not only can I now see on my phone, so here are the two phones, that I have this new drawing, I also get a notification about it here. Rihanna started a new drawing, and I can click on that notification to get to the drawing. So let's go to the drawing on both of our phones. So the UI of the drawing board is very simple. You have three buttons. This one is to go back, this one is to undo, and this one is to change your stroke. Right now that circle is black and has a 3 because I have a black pencil with 3-point width. Changing the tool is very easy. All you do is click on the button, and you get this color palette and a slider to change the width. So I can drag around anywhere on here, and you can see what color you're going to use. So let's use this like canary yellow for Rihanna. And you can change the width to something thick. And then you can tap that to close it again. So now on both phones, as I draw on here, this squiggle, it appears as soon as I pick up my finger on the other phone. And so similarly on here, it's purple. So now on Rihanna's phone, I can similarly draw very poorly, and it appears on both phones. So one great feature is that if I want to use the entire canvas, I can shake the phone and the tools will disappear, but the iPhone is annoying. But you can shake to get the tools back. And then I leave, and I see that I now have a thumbnail of that drawing. It started 4 minutes ago. I can go to Rihanna's page, start another drawing, or I can just go to discover users, notifications. Let's see, go to Adam's profile. I'm not friends with him. Well, I have a random drawing with him. But I can actually go and look at Adam's random drawing with this user. That was an early day test. But I can actually look at this drawing without being able to participate because it is a public drawing. And yeah, so when I go back, I'm taken back to my recent drawings page, and I can resume any one of them. At any time. I haven't shown you the undo feature, that's obviously simple. But what's great is that you can actually undo even earlier lines as long as they're your own. So if I click undo again, yeah, got rid of that. Got rid of the exclamation point. Maybe I want to make it a pink exclamation point. And that's pretty much it. So what I haven't mentioned yet is that all of this magic is thanks to Meteor.js, which is handling the reactivity, and then Paper.js, which is a library I'm using for the drawing. One thing that I am proud of that I coded was the method for saving the drawing elements and for the reactivity. So actually what's happening is whenever you make a line, like so, that line is being drawn on a canvas that has a higher z index, and that line is immediately being transferred to a canvas behind it and disappearing from the canvas on top. And what's happening during that process is that that path is being exported as JSON and saved to a paths collection, and then that path is imported into the second canvas. And when I leave this page, the Meteor computation that's watching that process ceases. And what also happens is that everything that is in the saved canvas, namely every path that is in the collection within the same drawing ID as the drawing collection, all of that data is exported as an SVG, and that SVG node is saved as a string, which is then saved to the drawing collection, and that is what is producing this thumbnail. The first thing that I want to add as I improve this app is diversity of drawing tools. Right now it is just the one pencil tool, but with this color wheel and the slider for width, I've already surpassed the drawing abilities of Snapchat, which was the goal, so I feel pretty good about that. And it's also instantaneous reception on the other end. But I would like to have some different brushes or tools. Paper.js enables you to do a lot of cool things. Um, for example, filling would probably be simple, a fill tool, and just some textured pens and different effects. You can also import images, which I'd like to add so that you can, import Rihanna's face and then draw on top of that. This has been Scrawl. Thanks for watching.